Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use the Social Bridge and what it looks like and how much fun it can be. It really is fun. Basically what the Social Bridge does is it allows people in the Cosmos ecosystem, I mean you could do it in any Discord, but right now I'm just kind of keeping it in the fam. You can quote unquote call them and connect to servers 100% connect. Both channels have total access to each other. So if, channel A over, let's just say like if SifChain with 6,000 people in its server wants to call, Chihuahua with, 6,000 people in its server. Now both communities have total access to each other and can communicate and talk about, whatever. So let me show you what it looks like. Let's see. This is, okay. So it's a long conversation. One second. Okay, so basically what it looks like is this. It's all slash commands. So if you go slash phone book, you will see everybody that you're able to call. Here is an example of that. So slash phone book, and this will pop up. Phone book, secret, region, IXO, Osmosis, Chihuahua, Cosmosino, there's whatever ones have been added. And the phone book's going to keep growing as more and more people add it to their server, obviously. Once the phone book pops up, now who's available that you could make a phone call to. So then you type in your other slash commands, and they're all slash commands except for answer and hang up. You don't need slashes for those. So, okay, so I look at the phone book and I want to call slash, let's say like Osmosis. Okay, first of all, remember that when you do slash call, it is case sensitive. So however it looks in the phone book, you just want to type it the exact same way. So Osmosis, capital O, Osmosis. You just type in, slash call tab, Osmosis tab. Now I'm ready to call Osmosis. I'm not going to call them right now, but yeah, that's how you do it. When they answer, first it will say ringing. So I've called Osmosis, ringing. Nomicon answered. And now we're in a conversation with them and anybody else that's in that channel. Kilo is also speaking, and they all come up as their user ID, whatever message they're sending, and what server they're from. It's just an embed that looks neat, and you can see every different person talking. And on their end, when I speak or when Ducky speaks or whoever is speaking, we look the exact same way to them. Pictures, okay, GIFs don't go through. But other than that, it looks pretty much the same. Here's Namicon's message. You can't @ me either. So they tried to @ me there. That's not going to work because you can't @ someone in an embed. And also, we have different users in our servers. So other than that, though, it pretty much functions just like, a regular message. You just type it in the box and it'll look normal. And I'll show you exactly what it looks like in a second. But this is how these conversations happen. And you can even add a third server in by doing your slash command add to call. Once you add a third server to the call, now all three communities are talking and sharing servers. It's pretty cool. So this is what it looks like, just having, conversations with people and from their server and their specific channel. And now let me show you how to set it up. When you first get it, you go slash setup channel. The setup channel tab should be somewhere where you want to have these conversations with other servers. So we made our channel called Phone Booth, and we put it at the very top. And in Phone Booth, that's where these conversations take place. So you just type in phone booth. You need to make the channel first. So phone booth, it'll come up. Click it. Now enter. And, jump to present. I have successfully updated my receiving channel, right? Here's the most important part. And please do this. This is super important. Now you have to set your notify channel. This channel has to be your most active channel. Your general chat, your start here chat, whatever you call it, your lounge, I don't care. Notify channel has to be that one. Wherever people are active, wherever people will see, or the Social Bridge just won't work. Okay, so notify channel always has to be in the most active channel you have. Now, you're thinking, is it going to like spam my general chat? No, nothing comes in your general chat. Okay, this is where the phone booth room, this is where all the conversation happens. When someone calls us, the only thing that happens in general chat is, and I'll show you if I can find one. Hang on one second. General chat. Okay. One second. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like. This is all you're going to see in your general chat. When somebody calls you every now and then, it's going to say IXO or whoever's calling, like SifChain is calling. You can accept their calls in, and then it will link you to the room that you did in the setup channel. And that'll be where people go to actually have the conversation. So just make sure your notified channel is your most busy channel, and that you create whatever channel you want for the actual conversations to happen. Okay, so setup channel, phone booth, notified channel, your busiest channel. General usually is the one. Other than that, you just have to remember phone booth to, or phone book to, see who is, you just hit it, enter to see who is available to call, and that will continue to grow. Also / add to call. Obviously, I think I already went over that. Just to add a third. Add to call is just only if you want to add a third person to the phone call. It's just / call to call regularly. Let's do a call real fast, and I'll show you what it looks like on both sides. So I'm going to call my test server call to have, which I just called a new, NY Pizza. Okay, so I'm calling NY Pizza. Okay, NY Pizza, it's ringing. So let's go over to the NY Pizza room. Here it is. SifChain Finance is calling. Please type answer or decline. I'm going to answer the call from myself. Now I'm chatting with New York Pizza or SifChain, whatever. I'm chatting with myself, but let's go back over to SifChain. NY Pizza answered. Say hello. Okay, so now I can start talking. Hi. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, there's my message. Now we go back over to NY Pizza. There's my message, just as I typed it. I can type back the same thing. And we'll go back over to SifChain, and there's my message back to myself. That's how it works. And then when you want to hang up, same way you answered, no /, just hang up or answer. Now you are disconnected. Oh, I should have added a third server to show you how that works, but it's okay. Basically, before I hung up, all I would have had to do is just go add to call, tab, and then the server name, just like a regular call. And yeah, and we're gonna keep growing this and getting it really big. But it's been really helpful, actually. Like if you look up here today, like just like asking questions, networking, like this from IXO, setting up this AMA. It's just like a way. It's also like a marketing tool, right? Like it's a way to have access to a whole big ass community of people that might not know about your project. And it's like super fun too, just to like, I don't know, just to like mess around, like calling other servers and just being stupid. Yeah, I don't even care. Like you don't have to use it for any specific reason, anything professional. You can just use it for fun. But I think that it's a good way to just kind of keep us all connected and just keep everybody in the loop. So I hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions, you know where to find me. I'm in the SifChain server all the time. And I'm Nomad. Bye.